Hello friends, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to clear print spooler and fix printing problem in Windows 11 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First go to the start and here type services. Click on the services. In services, find print spooler. Find print spooler. Here we find print spooler. Right click on it. Here we find stopped. Click on stop. Wait for a few seconds. Here we find print spooler is automatic and is stop. Now close it. Next step is go to this PC. Double click on this PC. In this PC, go to the C drive. Go to the C drive. In a C drive, go to the Windows. In Windows, find System32. Here we find System32 folder. Double click on System32. In System32, find spool. Here we find spool. Double click on the spool. Go to the spool folder. In spool, here we find printers. Double click on printers. And here we find some files. Delete all files from this folder. Delete entire this file folder or this file. Delete it. Now close it. Next step is go to the start. Type services. Click on the services. In services, once again, find print spooler. Select print spooler. Right click on it. And this time, click on the start. Wait for a few seconds. It's restart. Here we find print spooler and status is running and startup type is automatic. It is a very IMP. If it is not running or not automatic, then go to the print spooler once again. Right click on it. Click on the properties and make sure startup type is automatic. Click on apply, and if service status is not running, then click on start, click on apply, click on OK, and that's all. Your printer problem, print spooler and printing problems are solved in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.